We'll guide you through how to split screen on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because then you can easily have multiple applications open at once. We're going to guide you through how this is done step by step. To get started, open up one of the applications you want to do this with. So in this case, I want to go and do this with Word, so I'm going to go and open it up. Then what you need to do is go and head to the top right of Word, where you're going to have minimize, the maximize, and the cross. Hover over the middle option, and then you're going to go and see the different layouts you've got. So what you can do is you can go and see you could have 2, 3, 4. Now let's go and say I wanted this word to be on the left. I'd go and hover over to the left here and click on it like so. Then it'll go and put it over to the left, and you could go and choose the other application you want. So I could go and have Edge over to the right. That's it. That is how it can be done. Of course, you can go and choose the different layouts there as well.